neighbor, nag-cruise ako. Dapat talagang kailangan.
We have 4 diapers and then it has something on it. There's a paper here and then you can guess what type of baby food these 4 stuff in the diaper.
Anong baby food? Sulaan. Ate.
Excuse me. Guess how many baby in the jar.
Take a picture and count them.
Guess how many babies in
We have a game for the couples. If we can line up all the couples here. And you don't know what trick it is. Go.
I don't know how to
We have a winner! It's Junior! Sino? How can I help you?
Ito pa, diretso.
Right! Perfect! Right! Kanan, isa na lang! For the pin, the passy, Leo. So it's actually 45 inches. Kathy again.
Oh! That's mawa.
Ibig sabihin, ako yung nakakilala sa inyo.
It's nice to hear some advices that she might not know. So if we can help her and give some advices that we learn from our parents, or if we have kids, if we learn it ourselves. And I hope na kahit na magkakalayo kayo ng mga bahay, we can help out kung kailangan niya ng tulong emotionally, or kailangan mag-babysit or something, or just a shoulder to cry on kasi yung postpartum is real, you know. So just I hope na we will be there for her kasi she's gonna go through different emotion, different her mental health will not suffer, but she'll experience a lot of stuff.
First, enjoy the little things, especially the cuddles, especially the way the reflexes of their fingers. That time, when they hold your fingers, they will hold it like this. Tight. Once they are like teeny, hindi mo na sila mahuhuli.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, so you have to enjoy cuddles. And secondly, you sleep when your baby is asleep. Kasi little nap, in a few minutes or 30 minutes, it will regain your energy para sa next again for your baby.
Advice ako bibigay ko is enjoy yung pagkakaroon ng bagong baby.
Have fun changing diapers.
Never.
Sleep at night. Or waking up late night. Like that.
Actually, parenting, walang perfect time. Pero ngayon, dahil magkakaroon ka ng newborn, sabi nga ni ate, matulog ka hanggat kaya mo. Kung meron kang time, pag natulog yung bata, kahit na 5 minutes pa yan, take advantage mo.
Enjoy the process, enjoy the puyats. Kasi kapag lumipas na yon, it's done for Calixto. And have lots of patience. And lastly, kapag ka may kailangan ka, you know where I am. I'm just a message away. Love you.
Siyempre, maraming sleepless night na yan. Diba? Another experience. You just need to be more patient.
Baby kasi at least nila lumaki. And experience niya may baby. I mean, ngayon imagine 6 years old na siya. So, enjoy the moment and then be ready. Kasi dalawa na yung Kasabayin mo? Ano? Wala akong ma-advise kasi kayo nagbibigay ng advice sa akin. Baliktad. Tapos idol ko kayo sa paano nyo pinalaki sa KB. Kaya I know sa Calixto ba naman. You can always count on me. My house is near to the American Mission. I can run going there. When you want to go to the baby. That's all.
Congrats at enjoy the moment.
More patient, madam. I know. Only 2, baby. But me only, I have 8 kids. But you have 2. Congrats. And healthy baby.
Focus on your child, but most of all, you have to focus on yourself. Because if you're not happy, you won't be a good mother. If you're happy, then you'll have a happy child. And everything else follows. Right? We love you. You have Atis here. You know, you have the cousins are looking forward to the namesake of our grandfather, Calixto.
I love you.
I'm just so happy that you guys, you know, is experiencing it again. And then we're fortunate na yung pangalan ng bata is very nice. Kasi that's actually Kainie's great-grandpa, Calixto. So that's my mom's father's name. So talagang napaka-importante ng pangalan na when I told Kay about it and Nico, talagang dinagdag nila dun sa pangalan. Even my dad's name, which is Michael's middle name, not second name, which is Alfredo, kasama din. Kaya kawawa yung bata, napakahaba ng name. But the thing is, you know, even the name itself, right? It has my grandfather's name, Kainie's great-grandpa, and my dad's name, Kainie's grandpa, right? Then Calixto's as well. So I hope na papalakihin niyo siya. Kind of like how our dad brought us, you know. Because our dad is actually the nicest person, and I wish that you have met him. Na every time my mom needs anything, just by looking at our mom, na ginagawa niya lahat to make it easy for her. We're actually 5 siblings, and 4 girls and 1 boy, which is Miko. So I feel bad, diba si Miko, only guy in the family. But the thing is, you know, my dad made us, you know, he was there for our mom throughout, you know, sa mga maliliit na bagay. So I just wish na, because Calixto has their names, no, na palakihin din sana na ganun din kung paano kami napalaki. And Kay, I'm just so happy that you are part of our family. You know that we love you. You know that tell you frankly, when I talk to, you know, with my mom, with my sisters, you know, we just have good things to say about you. You know, and the thing is, you know, sometimes you don't have to be nice. Okay, you can be honest. And, you know, like speak up when we need to speak up. You know, because now you're gonna have 2 kids, right? And it's gonna be too much because you're working as well. Working mom with 2 kids, to tell you frankly, that's impossible. But you will, you know, because I know you. But so try to reach out. Even with Miko, try to speak up. You know, don't bottle it up. You know, so it's gonna be different. You know, with Kylie, but now there's gonna be 2. So you have to speak up when you need help. Don't assume na alam ng mga nasa paligid mo. And it's okay. It's really okay to ask help. Okay? Being as nice as you are, I know you will do everything. But try, you know, don't feel bad na humingi ng tulong. Okay? But of course, we're gonna be here, your family. And we just love you. And Calixto has not been born, but I love him already. You know? So take care of yourself. You know, we're here. You know, just, you know, anytime you need anything, your sisters are here. You know, your aunts are here. And we know.
Just always know that your son will always adore you.
It's a different love. disclosure because Andy's mom passed away. When she passed away, Andy's dad talked to Andy and said, you know, I asked your mom so many times how come Andy would go to you and not to me. I said, and then the mom said, I don't know why, but Andy grew up, and if I asked him, said, who is your best friend? I said, it's my mom. Moms and son have this different kind of relationship, to tell you frankly, Tay. You know, like, so treasure the moment, and it's okay, yeah? To tell you frankly, just enjoy. Enjoy every step. May nagsabi kanina si Dit, sabi niya, yung hawak lahat, enjoy it, you know. Who cares about kung magaling ba yung anak mo sa math, o magaling ba sa English, or whatnot, right? But what counts is yung mga little stuff. Enjoy the moment. Look at Lucy, right? She's turning 19 now, and how I wish I could go back in time. So just enjoy it, and enjoy the moment, and we love you both. Okay?
Thank you, ate.
Okay, Team Manatay.